Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another Amazon fashion haul. I got all these pieces from a store named Satin. This video is not sponsored, but they did send these pieces to me, so a big thank you to Satin for providing all these pieces so that way I can review for you guys and let you guys know what I think. One thing I have to say off the bat is I love all of them, so there are no misses here. I absolutely love them. Very impressed. I know I'm gonna wear these a lot, especially for the summertime. This is the second time I'm working with Satin, and whenever I'm working with them, I get a little extra excited because their pieces are a little bit more higher up there than other Amazon stores. There's just something about them. They have such unique, beautiful pieces. So like I said, everything in this video is a definite hit. And one thing I do want to mention, if you guys are interested in anything that I'm wearing, including my makeup, I will have that link down below. Before we begin, one more thing I want to mention is please subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate it. I post 5 to 6 days a week, so I would love to have you. Why not join me? It's free. And make sure that you follow me on Instagram and LTK. And of course, I will have all those linked down below, along with all the pieces that I will show you guys. I will have the sizing, the prices, and the links down for you guys. So if you guys are interested, it will just be one click away. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with this top, I am loving this top. And honestly, I don't remember the prices on these, but like I said, just click down below. You'll have all the prices there. One thing I want to mention is that these are affordable here. This is a Cami lace top. They have these in multiple colors and prints, and I've been really getting into the royal blue. I noticed that royal blue looks really good on my skin tone. I think it's gorgeous. I got in a size medium because this has no stretch, so keep in mind if you are heavy on top like me, you might want to size up. So whenever it comes to these cami tops, I always size up to a medium, and they fit perfect. If I wanted to be more on the looser side, I could have gotten a large and it will be more loose, but as for the medium, it looks perfect. I love to wear this with just some jeans. If I'm going out somewhere, I would wear it with like some heels and maybe put on like a cardigan. If you're looking for some really nice cami tops, guys, I promise you, you can absolutely wear cami lace tops. I know they might look more dressy, but you can definitely dress these down with some jeans, or you can dress them up with some heels. And then the other piece that is also my favorite is this one right here. Love this color, like all sorts of blue. I am really feeling the royal blue and the baby blue. Again, they do have these in multiple colors. I think they have them in like 5 colors. They're more of a knitted material, but it's one of those knitted materials that will not overheat you. It will actually stay cool on your body. It looks like this, and I would say this is more like a summer knit because it's one of those tops that I would definitely wear for the summertime, and it would not overheat me whatsoever. If I didn't mention, I got this in a medium. It's really nice and flowy. I could have got this in a size small, but I actually like it the way it is, how it's nice and flowy. It's really, really beautiful, and it's a really nice knit material, very nice and soft. And the straps look like this. I think this is flattering on a lot of skin tones, but like I said, they do come in a multiple colors. Moving on to my other favorites. This is so pretty. It's actually more pretty in person than it was online. Online, I was already sold. I was looking at it, I'm like, yes, you are coming home with me. You're gorgeous. And when I seen it, I was like, thank you. It's so beautiful. And it is this kimono cardigan. It looks like this. It does go all the way down, which I love. I love kimono cardigans that go all the way down because I feel like it just brings an extra elevated look. It just looks more expensive. For some reason, just looks more like, I don't know, there's something extra about it. And I love this. This I got in the color blue. Again, they do have them in multiple colors. And I think I got this in a medium. Let me see. I'm almost certain I got it in a medium. No, actually, this is a one size fits all. Cool thing about the sleeves is that you can have this cinched in like so. So if you want it more cinched in, you can have it cinched in, or you can leave it open like so. I personally like it left like more open. But again, like I said, it's just preference. It does have the slit at the sides. It's very nice and flowy. Yes, I could definitely wear this with this camisole. I can wear it with this. It will go with so many outfits. I feel like navy blue is a color that will go with a lot of your outfits. It's kind of almost like a neutral. This will even go with like a nice white top. If you are planning on going on a vacation and you don't want to take a lot of pieces, I do recommend these pieces if you're going to like a tropical vacation. I will recommend just getting this lace camisole top for like your dinner, and then this for going like during the day, whatever you're gonna do. This could be your cardigan to throw over when it gets a little chillier. And what's so cool about this is you can also use it as a bathing suit cover-up. So it does have multi-purposes, and I love that. Whenever I'm traveling, I actually don't like to carry too much stuff. It's very breathable, perfect for the summertime. And like I said, they do have these in multiple colors. I absolutely love this. And then moving on to a top. This is a Henley top, and this is a top that would go perfectly with this. So more of a casual, but throw your kimono over it for more of a elevated look. This is so nice. So I got this in a size medium because I didn't know if it was gonna be more fitted or more loose. Usually with tops like this, I always do like a little front tuck. This is just so nice, very nice and soft, has a nice stretch. It is a Henley style. Like I said, it does have these snap closures right here. These are functional, and then it has this little front pocket, really nice and soft. I can't say anything bad about it. It's very nice quality, very breezy, again perfect for the summertime. If you're looking for a nice Henley top, I do recommend it. It is not see-through as long as you're wearing nude undergarments, so just keep that in mind. I know I mentioned this before, but nude undergarments are your best friend when it comes to none of your undergarments show through your clothes, especially when it comes to white clothing. I do really love this, and I know I'm gonna wear this a lot. Moving on to this button-up top. This is gorgeous. This is a button-up style top. It has a little pocket right here that is like sheer, but this right here is not sheer. This is double lined, as you can see, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through, but the sleeves are see-through, which I actually like. I think it just looks a little bit more elevated. And of course you can cuff this up if you don't want it to be long sleeve. It is so pretty. I love the design. Let me give you guys a quick close-up on how it looks. It is so pretty. And then this is how it looks on the sleeves. It does have a collar as well. And overall, like I said, it is really beautiful. I know I'm gonna wear this with some jeans and do like a little front tuck. I think that will look really nice. And guys, you could definitely wear this as a throw over. You can unbutton it, have like a tank top, maybe like wear this one, and if you want to throw something over, you can throw this over. It will look more chic and more put together. They do have these in multiple colors as well. And then moving on to this satin style button-up top. I've been really wanting to get some satin tops, and I'm so glad that they have these. They actually have them in multiple colors. This is so beautiful. It looks like this. It is long sleeve, but again, you can roll it up if you want. It's really beautiful. I believe this is called the champagne color. So pretty. I absolutely love it. It does have a little pocket right here. It is so nice. The only thing I recommend is make sure that you steam this before you wear it. If you want to look really nice and sharp, very put together, I would definitely steam this. But other than that, this is so beautiful because it's one of those tops that you can definitely dress up, but you can also dress it down. For this, I can definitely see myself wearing it in actually a lot of different ways. Really nice quality as well, guys. It's a very nice, sleek, chic looking top. It looks more expensive than it really is. Moving on to a beautiful over the shoulder top. When I saw this, I immediately was drawn to it, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I usually don't wear over the shoulder tops or dresses just because I don't have a strapless bra to wear. And I know I've seen fashion hacks where girls like turn their bras into like a strapless style, so I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna work because I'm very heavy on top, so that's a different story. You guys know, for those girls out there that are heavy on top, you know what I mean. If I would try to make that strapless how my bras are, they might not hold them. So I don't know, we will see. If you guys have any suggestion on a very good strapless bras, please let me know, because I'm on the lookout to get like a set, maybe white, nude, and a black, and get it as a set and just get some really good bras that are strapless. Because For the summertime, I want to wear more over the shoulder tops. I just think they're really flattering and just beautiful. So this one looks like this. I got in the size medium. It's a denim style over the shoulder top. It's so pretty, and I love the fact that it's cinched in right here, so it's ruched, and then it flows out right here at the bottom. Very flattering, guys. And if you don't want to wear it over the shoulder, you can actually wear it like so. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to have it over the shoulder. I did wear it both ways, and I showed you guys so you can see that there's two ways of styling this. I got in the light wash. They have a medium wash, I think a black, and I don't remember other two colors, but I got this because you guys know I have a thing for light wash denim. And then last but not least, I picked up these gorgeous jeans. I'm so happy I picked these up. I got these in a size small. They fit perfect, guys, and I really, really love them. And I know I'm gonna get these in more colors. They are so beautiful. I got these in a size small, and let me tell you guys, these fit perfect. I did not realize how flattering flare style jeans can be until I got these. I know I've been trying like different flare jeans, and I'm really digging it. I never thought I would say that. I would always look at it and I'm like, no, never gonna happen. Guys, I'm telling you, never say never, because that's what happens with me. This is gorgeous. Like, I feel like it's just so flattering. I think especially the fact that I'm only 5'1". I love it because it really elongates my legs and it just makes me look more slimmer. And I think they're so nice because it has this cutout at the side. What? It's so pretty. I'm so feeling these. I know I'm gonna actually wear these a lot. I did not think I'm gonna love them as much as I do. And one thing I will have to say that makes these jeans look very like high end, they definitely look more expensive than they really are, is the fact that the color in the jeans, I think that's important to look at the color of the jeans. This looks more like a pair of jeans I got at Abercrombie. Look at this, guys. The color, the way it looks really nice and expensive. And this is how it looks in the back. It has the pockets, and I like the fact that they did the belt loops like that. That looks so cool. If you're looking for some really nice flare jeans, I think these are the ones to go. They're so darn flattering. I just cannot stress that enough. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm. That's how YouTube pushes out my videos to other people and recommends it to me. So it would really help me out if you give this a thumbs up. And if you are still watching, guys, I see you. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed. Why? What are you waiting for? Just click it. It takes 1 second. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.